So in this video, what I want to talk about is secure attachment and the experience of what is safety. So secure attachment develops when a child experiences consistent, attuned, and emotionally available caregiving. And from this foundation, the child learns that they are worthy of care and that others are generally reliable. And secure attachment isn't perfection, it's repair. Adults can cultivate earned security through awareness and relational practice. But children, babies, learn whether they can trust that its caregiver or mother will respond to its cries of distress. Um, so, so three questions to help you to tune in to how that was for you. And this is not for the purpose of blaming anybody. It's for the purpose of you becoming aware of just what your experience was, and if there was anything, that wasn't useful or helpful, to understand why you react in ways that you do, perhaps. So the first question is, what does emotional safety look like for you now? What does emotional safety look like for you now? When do you feel most at ease in relationships? And what qualities of secure connection do you long for? So, when do you feel most at ease in relationships? And what qualities of secure connection do you long for? So I leave you with that. If you find that helpful, click like, and please remember to click subscribe if you want to tune in for the next video. Bye for now. Bye.